In this video tutorial, we will learn how to create a mask intro, parentheses water in the glass effect. This is a finished product of what your project will look like, and that you'll turn into Edmodo. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to go to the Student Share folder. This is the third project in this grading cycle. So let's just open that up. This PowerPoint right here will show you the different steps based on each slide. Okay, so you can follow along with that if you'd like to. So we can open the images folder, and we're going to open up the star pattern. Okay, and so first I'll go to Photoshop and I'll close my image there, and we'll go back to Photo Viewer and open that in Photoshop. Okay. If it doesn't open up, you can actually just right-click star pattern and say open with, and it should say Photoshop. If it doesn't, let me give my attention and I'll come around and help you. Okay. So then we're going to open up the splash in a glass also, and open that in Photoshop as well. Okay. So we have the two images there. So we're going to rename this as a star pattern. Okay. And then, so first we are going to grab this splash in a glass, and I'm holding down Control A to select all of it, and Control C to copy it. Then go to star pattern, and I'm going to hit Control V to just paste it in. Okay. Now I will leave this open. I can deselect it by hitting Control D. The star pattern, I will leave that open. Now this layer 1 I will rename as base glass. Okay. And I will change this blending mode, which says normal. I'm going to change it to hard light so we can see our background through the glass. Okay. So now I will go to window. I'm sorry, I will go back to my original splash in a glass image there. Now we're going to use, it's kind of similar to the Magic Wand tool, but we're going to go to select and color range, and this is a selection. Yours will look different when it comes to like this. We want to change the fuzziness to, like it says, 125 here. Okay, and we want to start by just clicking in the white area down here at the bottom of the glass. It's going to look something like this. So now I'm going to hold down the Shift key to add to our selection, and I'm going to just click in the bottom right next to this at the bottom of our glass. So it should change and look like this. So you can hit Enter so that fills that selection. Now we're actually going to click, we have the Move tool. We're actually going to make the Move tool active, and then click Window, hit Arrange, and this is 2 up vertical. Okay, so we have our image there, and then we have the image that we're joining these two together. So we're going to click in where our cursor changes to a little cursor with a little scissors underneath it. So it's going to show us that we're going to cut that and then paste it in. Okay, it's not going to line up right, but you're going to move it, and it's going to snap into place there. Okay, so now we can actually close this. Okay, so we have just our image here. We're going to rename this as Sparkles. Okay, and enter, and then we'll change this to Screen. Okay. Oh, one thing I want to do is I want to change our star pattern opacity, and so just highlight there, and we change it to 80% here. Okay. So then you see there we have our sparkles changed to screen, our base glass blending mode changed to hard light. This is still at normal, but the opacity is down to 8%. So you can see now we have this kind of glass look, and now we can see just our star pattern looks like it's shining through our glass. Okay. So now we're going to go and save this to our home folder. So I'll save it to A1 right there. and we're going to rename this as mask intro in parentheses water glass. And we want to make sure and save it as a Photoshop. Okay, so we'll save there. So now we're going to upload this to our mask intro slash parentheses water glass assignment on Edmodo. Thanks for watching.